Welcome, this is Zon with Revu Products. Today's video is on Bluebeam Review 2018 and how to create forms using the automatic forms command and other features. Here I am in Bluebeam Review 2018. I have a document in front of me that I found off the web, and it's just a document that has some content to it. Now when we work with creating forms, you can head over to the Tools portion, Form, and then there is automatic create form fields and other types of forms that you can work with, such as text box, radio button, and so on. This new feature here, which came out in 2017, if you click it, and it's only, by the way, available for the extreme version of the software. If you click it, it will analyze the entire document, and it will put in as many forms as it can for you to work with. And as you can see, the forms portion of the command on the left hand side shows up, and it inputs all the data that it can find. This is the command right here for forms, and in here you have the ability to create text box, radio buttons, check boxes, list boxes, drop downs, and so on. So if we take a look at the document now, you can see some cells are created with the boxes. And if I click inside, I can actually start typing something. Okay. However, if I need to start modifying it, I can modify it by adding more content. So right here, for example, it says last 4 digits of social security number / ITIN number. If I want to get rid of this, what I can do is there is an advanced text command toolbar. If you right click, it's right here. And I have it turned on, and I can click this little edit text command, and it will allow me to edit this text. So I'm going to try to delete it and see if it will allow me to. If it can't, it's because it's telling me it can't find a corresponding system font to use. Okay, so in this case I can't use this edit text command. What I can do, however, is white it out, if you will. So we will go ahead and use, for example, Tools, Markup, and do a rectangular box that's white and draw on top of it. The other option is there is a command for cutting out the area. So let's see if I can find it, because remember, this is Bluebeam Review 2018 and they've changed the icon. So here it says cut content. Click this and I can draw a rectangular region around the area that I want. And I would double click at the very end and it will cut that out. Okay. Now, in order for me to add more fields in, I can head over here to the fields, and I want to put in a text box. So I click the command. I'll zoom into the area that I need. And as you can see, it automatically sees other text box and other types of form content, and it will align itself as well. So you can do this, and now you've got a text box, and the name is going to be over here in the properties palette. You name it whatever you want. So for logic's sake, you want to put something that makes sense. So I'm going to say last 4 digits of SSN. Okay, and then obviously you can do anything else with the property data down here. And when you're done, if you click this little select arrow key, you're done. The command has been created. And if you click out in space, then you can start to see that the text box is available for you to type in, or for the end user to type in as well. Okay. If we look carefully on this document, there is a little box here for checking for employee and student and this other piece of text. That's this box command here, checkbox. So use that tool. Zoom in and draw your text box, your check mark, like so. And do the same thing over here on this side. And as you notice, even though I'm still zoomed close in, it still tries to find other content to align itself to. So you can obviously manually go through the process of putting in each of these form fields, or you can try to use the automatic form creation tool to help you build everything out faster and easier. And that's it. That's how you use forms within Bluebeam Revu 2018. Thank you very much for watching.